Hello dear brothers, I'm going to announce some free Udemy courses coupons for some days or only for 1 days. Here is my first practice test or course, and this course coupon is, let me show you, QWERTY then UIOP. So you need to apply this coupon. Please clear it, this one, and then apply it. And here you can see now it is free, but it is only limited for some days. Okay, here you can see that 5 hours left at this price, so it can be available for 1 day or for some hours, or can be available for up to 5 days. it I don't know exactly. And then here is the next one, and this is the same practice test, but it is in the Hindi language. Now this course coupon is capital A S D F G H J K L, and that's it. Now apply it, and it is also free, but here it show you that it's free for 4 days, but I don't know the exact time. It can be changed. And the last one is this one. Okay, it is AZ 104 practice test, and its coupon is ZXCVBNM and then OL. Alright, here are the free coupons of these three courses. And if you like this video, please subscribe, because in future I also will provide you some more these type of coupons and courses, and maybe next time the courses. Okay, so please subscribe.